Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through how to control who can speak inside a room in your Clubhouse house. If you have created a house and want to manage speaking permissions, this tutorial will help you set clear rules for your members. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, open the house that you want to manage. On the top right, click on the three-dot menu icon. This will open additional settings for your house. Scroll down through the menu until you find Member Permissions and tap on it. In the Member Permissions page, find the section labeled Speak in a Room. Here you can choose between two options: Everyone or Moderators. Selecting Everyone allows all members to speak freely in your house rooms, while choosing Moderators means only designated moderators will have the ability to speak. Finally, once you have selected the option that best suits your needs, your choice will be saved and applied automatically. You can always return to this section and change it whenever necessary.